Play us some garbage.
Changing the strings on that like you do. And it wasn't long enough, so I had to extend it with some fishing line right here.
One has a green bean, one has greens and brown, and one has corn.
Have you thought about taping them all together so you make a drum set shaker set?
Hey, that's actually a good idea.
Try it out.
I'm gonna be right back.
We all get together and play garbage music all night. Said we love to get together and play garbage music all night. Yeah, we all get together and play garbage music all night.